Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Cassia Naturals. Today's video is for every student who's ever stood in front of the mirror thinking, what do I do with my natural hair today? Between classes, early mornings, and endless assignments, styling your natural hair can feel like a full-time job. But it doesn't have to be. So today, I'll show you simple, natural hairstyles perfect for high school, college, and university. Styles that look great, protect your hair, and let you show up confidently just as you are. I remember my first year of university. Every morning I wake up, stare at my hair, and panic. Some days it shrank overnight. Some days it refused to cooperate. I almost gave up and thought about straightening it, just to make life easier. But then I realized it's not my hair that's the problem. It's how I saw it. Once I learned to love my natural texture and work with it, not against it, everything changed. Now I enjoy styling it because each curl reminds me of my strength, my roots, and my beauty. Let's start with the queen of all natural looks, the high puff. It's simple, timeless, and fits any school day. All you need is a soft hairband or shoelace, a little water, and some leave-in conditioner. Pull your curls up gently and fluff them out. It's perfect for lectures, group projects, or even formal school events. And the best part? It celebrates your natural volume unapologetically. Next, the low bun. Perfect for neatness and professionalism. Apply a little gel or butter to smooth the edges. Gather your hair at the back and twist it into a bun. You can add 2 flat twists at the front for an elegant look. This one's my go-to for exam days or presentations. It's calm, clean, and confident. If you love definition, try a twist out. Twist your hair the night before using your favorite moisturizing cream or butter, then unravel it in the morning. The results? Soft, bouncy curls that turn heads in the whole way. It's the perfect balance between glam and natural ease. And the volume just gives life. Now, let's talk about the afro. The style that speaks power, pride, and personality. Pick it out, shape it, and let it stand tall. It's not just hair. It's a statement of strength and freedom. Add a cute headband or clips for a fun touch. Every curl tells your story, so wear it boldly. And if you want something playful, go for a half-up, half-down look. Simply section the top half, tie it up in a puff or a small bun, and let the rest flow naturally. It's perfect for weekend classes or campus hangouts. Youthful, relaxed, but still put together. And for my fun-loving queens, 2 puffs. It's giving youthful energy and self-love vibes. Use a soft band to separate your hair into 2 sections. Fluff them out and boom. Instant confidence. You can even accessorize with beads or small clips for a touch of personality. No matter which style you choose, remember this. Your natural hair doesn't need to be changed to be beautiful. Whether it's shrinkage, frizz, or volume, it's you. And the more you learn to care for it, the more it rewards you with confidence and growth. So next time you walk into school, college, or university, hold your head high. You're not just showing up with curls, you're showing up with courage. If you love these natural hairstyles, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell me your favorite go-to style in the comments. Stay natural, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next one. Cassia Naturals, love your hair naturally. Continue watching till the end. Beautiful.